Hello everyone, I am Gunjan.
I am Harpridarshini.
We are studying class 9th in Sri Sharda Vidyanilayam, which is located at
Krantinagar, Vishakhapatnam.
So we did a project and named it as Automatic Air Extinguisher.
Our project name is Automatic Fire Extinguisher.
So the problem statement of our project is fire accidents can occur suddenly due to electrical features, gas, leaks, or every day we can have a fire accidents in our daily life. Equipments, money fires spread rapidly because they are not detected at an early stage. Manual fire extinguishers require human presence and quick resume. Therefore, a human alteration, fire detection and extinguishing system is required to improve the safety for everyone.
Solution. An automatic fire extinguisher system is developed using a flame sensor and
a microcontroller. When fire is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the controller. The controller activates a water pump. Fire is extinguishes at automatically. Alerts also activated.
materials required of our project.
DC pump, breadboard, 9 volts battery, Arduino, flame sensor, cardboard, relay module, battery clip, etc. The advantages of our project is works automatically without human effects, fast response, reduce finish damage, low cost and easy to build. The working model of a project uses a flame sensor to continuously monitor this surrounding area for fire. When the fire is detected, the working model uses a flame sensor to continuously monitor the surrounding area for fire. When fire is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the Arduino microcontroller. The Arduino processes this signal and activates the relay module. Then the relay module on and the water pump or extinguishes the fire. So the result is the automatic fire extinguisher system successfully detects fire and immediately activates the extinguishing machine. The project proves that early fire detection and automatic response can proved here.
This is all about our project. Thank you.